Hello, everyone, and welcome back to today's episode. Our topic is something I like many of you will find useful: how to look more confident even if we are not. Confidence is one of those things that people notice instantly. When someone walks into a room looking calm, composed, and self assured, others automatically respect them and pay attention. But here is the truth: not everyone feels confident all the time. In fact, many people who appear extremely confident are sometimes nervous on the inside. The good news is that confidence can be projected. It's like an image you can create, even if you don't fully feel it yet. Today, I'll share some simple practical tips that you can use to look more confident even when you are not. Start with body language. Your body speaks louder than your words. If you want to appear confident, the very first thing you should focus on is posture. Stand tall, keep your shoulder back, and hold your head high. Avoid slouching or folding your arms because that signals insecurity. Make your movements controlled instead of fidgeting. Imagine yourself as a tree, grounded, strong, and stable. Even if you are nervous, standing tall automatically makes you look more confident. And interestingly, when your body looks confident, your brain starts believing it too. Second point: maintain eye contact. Eye contact is powerful. If you avoid eye contact, people may think you are unsure of yourself. But if you look someone in the eye while speaking, it sends the message that you believe in what you are saying. Don't stare too hard, that can feel intimidating. Aim for natural eye contact, holding it for a few seconds before looking away briefly. Practice in front of a mirror or even while talking with friends. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Third point: control your voice. Your voice is another tool that can make your sound confident. When we are nervous, we often speak too fast or too softly, but confident people do the opposite. Slow down your speech, use pauses to let your words sink in, speak loudly enough to be heard clearly but not too loud. If you notice your voice shaking, take a deep breath before speaking. That one deep breath can help calm your nerves and steady your tone. Fourth, smile and relax your face. A smile can do wonders. It makes you look approachable, friendly, and self assured. Nervousness often shows on your face: tight lips, furrowed brows, or biting lips. The next time you feel nervous, remind yourself to relax your facial muscles and add a gentle smile. It doesn't have to be a big one, just enough to make you look calm. Fifth, dress with intention. Clothing is part of our body language. When you dress neatly and in a way that makes you feel good, it automatically boosts your confidence. You don't need expensive clothes, Just wear something clean, well fitted, and appropriate for the occasion. When you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you appear more confident. Sixth, prepare and practice. A lot of confidence comes from preparation. If you are going for an interview, a meeting, or even giving a presentation, spend time preparing. Know what you are going to say. Rehearse in front of a mirror or record yourself. Anticipate possible questions and think of answers in advance. If you feel nervous inside, being well prepared reduces the chances of mistakes, and that automatically helps you appear confident. Seventh, use confident gestures. Our hands often reveal how we feel. When nervous people tend to hide their hands in pockets or fidgets, instead use open and intentional gestures. If you are sitting, keep your hand visible on the table. If you are standing, use your hands naturally to emphasize points. These little gestures make you look more engaged and sure of yourself. 8 point, fake it till you make it. This is a popular phrase because it works. Acting confident, even if you are not, often leads to a real confidence over time. When you are pretend to be confident by using all the techniques we just discussed, people will treat you as if you are confident. Slowly, your brain starts to believe it too. Ninth, focus on the other person, not yourself. Most of the time, we feel nervous because we are too focused on ourselves. What if I make a mistake? What if they judge me? Instead, shift your focus outward. Pay attention to the other person, listen actively, and show genuine interest in the conversation. When you are focused on them, you forget about your own nervousness, and that naturally makes you look confident. 10th, practice in small situations. Finally, remember that confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Practice these techniques in small everyday situations like say hello to a stranger, ask a question in class or at work, volunteer to speak in a group. Each small practice session makes it easier to look confident in bigger situations. So, to sum up, looking confident doesn't mean you have to feel confident all the time. It's about controlling your body language, voice, and mindset. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, smile, dress well, prepare, use open gestures, and focus on others. And don't forget, faking confidence is often the first step to actually becoming confident. Remember, everyone feels nervous sometimes, but with these techniques, no one will ever know. Start practicing them today, and you will be surprised at how quickly your image of confidence grows. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on English speaking and personal growth. Until next time, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep shining with confidence.